Take a look at this, everyone. Two great white sharks spotted circling surfers on the New South Wales mid-north coast.
Yeah, the drama all unfolded at Tuncurry Beach with a drone operator alerting the paddlers to the danger beneath.
Whoa.
And look, oh my goodness, oh, it's so hard to watch that vision. And some of the lads who live to tell the tale join us now. Rob, Adam and Trent, good morning. How fast was the paddle out of the water?
Kind of quick. Yeah, I can walk on water.
I mean, you got out of there like the cops were after you. Hey, fellas, take us through what happened that day, because it looked like a beautiful day. Did you realise the sharks were around?
No idea.
I had no idea at all, mate.
I just said to Mully that we could hear a drone going, and I'm like, where is that coming from? And he turned around and he goes, hey, there's a dude running down the beach, and it was ads coming down to wave us out of the water, yelling out, there's two whites behind us.
Whoa.
So you guys have seen the vision, obviously. Who are the two blokes who are closest to those sharks?
Django, one of my mates, my young fella's mates, and his brother. And they were oblivious too.
They had no idea either.
No clue.
Django, ads. Who else do we have? Trenty?
Oh, his brother. I don't know what his brother's name is.
When you saw the vision, I mean, what were your thoughts when you saw it all?
They were close.
Yeah,
They weren't hungry.
I haven't seen the edited version, but I actually found it quite reassuring that they're not interested in us. They just swimming past and happen to run into us. So I reckon it happens on a near daily basis up here.
I find it hard to believe that you didn't see them. How off your chops were you?
Not at all.
But you know what I love is that we were trying to reach you guys about an hour ago and your mate said, oh no, they're back in the water having a surf.
Yeah, first one's in the water this morning again, so it's all good.
Any sign of them?
Not that we saw. Ads Mighty hasn't told us yet.
Oh, lads, I just want to come and have a beer with you. Oh, man.
Yeah, come and have a beer, mate, for sure.
And we can today.
We can.
Yes.
Good on you. Good on you, lads. What a beautiful spot, Tuncurry. Magnificent spot. Glad you're still alive, and we'll see you very soon for a frother.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
See you guys.
Cheers, boys.
Bye.
Well, that's Australia right there.
That's it. See, that's right near my hometown.
I love... Is it?
No. Yeah.
Do you know those boys?
I probably went to school with them.
Any disco stories? Or?
No.